Well, hi, I'm Lisa, and we have a visit here from Angelo Stalis, and I was very excited to see him. I remember, I think it was in the 80s, he had come in and picked up some nuts and bolts for one of his vehicles that he had.
I think it was an MGB.
MGB.
And it was falling apart, but we held it together with gum.
Yep, and National
some
Hardware
bolts.
bolts, yeah. So, yes, so it was great
Yeah,
to
Lisa.
see you back here.
Oh, I love this store. Every time we drive by, if we shop at Costco, way over there, we look at this store and we admire
Thank you.
the familiarity, the history. Love this store.
62 years.
Kind of get goosebumps when I walk in that door. I do. I love it. And the other big barn hardware stores, okay, they're good in a quick thing, but when you're working on something, this is the place to come to.
We appreciate that.
Oh, you bet.